Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best smart thermostat for home 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, Intelligent Climate Control with Seamless Smart Home Integration. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced offers advanced energy-saving features, helping reduce heating and cooling costs by up to 26% annually. It automatically adjusts temperatures when you're away and preheats or pre-cools your home before arrival for optimal comfort. Designed for smart homes, it supports Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Android, and iOS platforms. Control it remotely via the Ecobee app on your phone, tablet, or Apple Watch. It also adapts to humidity levels to maintain your preferred feel. Hardwired for reliability, it includes a power extender kit for homes without a C-wire and works with most 24-vac HVAC systems, including gas, oil, electric, dual fuel, forced air, heat pumps, 3H/2C, and boilers. Add optional smart sensors to monitor temperature in key rooms. Compact and easy to install, 4.09 inches by 4.09 inches by 0.94 inches, this thermostat blends smart functionality with everyday convenience, making it a powerful upgrade for modern climate control. Number 2. Levoit Wi-Fi Programmable Digital Thermostat, Smart Scheduling with Room-to-Room Comfort. The Levoit Smart Thermostat offers precise climate control with energy-saving routines and daily usage reports to help lower your utility costs. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Android, and iOS, it connects via the V-Sync app for remote access and automation. Customize 24/7 temperature schedules and link up to 16 Levoit sensors, sold separately, for room-specific comfort. The eco-level setting lets you prioritize energy efficiency or precision, while smart scenes integrate with Levoit humidifiers and air purifiers for full home atmosphere control. Its 4-inch IPS touchscreen auto-adjusts brightness and displays indoor temperature, humidity, and weather forecasts. Operating range, 32 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 to 95% RH, non-condensing. Includes a C-wire adapter for easy installation. A sleek, white solution for smarter, greener living. Number 3. Vine Smart Thermostat, Programmable, Voice-Controlled, and Energy Star certified. The Vine Smart Thermostat offers wide compatibility with 90% of HVAC systems, including conventional, 2H/2C, heat pump, 4H/2C, dual fuel, and 24V gas fireplaces. A C-wire is required for all setups. Installation is quick, typically under 20 minutes, with guided online support. Control your home's climate remotely via the Vine Thermostat or Smart Life app, or use voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. With 7-day programmable schedules and auto home/away mode, it intelligently adjusts temperatures to save energy and maintain comfort. Additional features include temperature alerts, filter change reminders, date, time sync, and a child lock. Compact at 3.54 inches by 3.54 inches by 0.98 inches, it's a smart, secure, and efficient upgrade for modern homes. Number 4. Meross MTS 300 Smart Thermostat, Matter-Ready Climate Control with Smart Scheduling. The Meross MTS 300 offers intelligent temperature management for 95% of HVAC systems, including conventional setups and heat pumps, excluding electric baseboard heaters. It requires a C-wire and operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Compatible with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, and Matter, it supports local integration for seamless smart home control. Customize heating and cooling routines with flexible scheduling, even offline, and monitor usage remotely via the Meross app to save on energy bills. Compact at 3.6 inches by 3.6 inches by 0.9 inches, it features a temperature display, lockable settings, and low-voltage operation. Backed by responsive phone support and designed for modern, efficient living. Number 5. Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential Energy-Saving Comfort with Smart Control. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential helps reduce heating and cooling costs by up to 23% annually by automatically adjusting to your schedule, saving energy when you're away and optimizing comfort when you're home. Compatible with 85% of HVAC systems, including gas, oil, electric, dual fuel, forced air, heat pumps, 2H/1C, and boilers. Control temperature via the intuitive color touchscreen or the Ecobee app, with support for Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Android/iOS devices. Free software updates ensure long-term performance. Installation is DIY-friendly, and homes without a C-wire can use the optional Power Extender Kit, PEK. The thermostat also tracks energy usage and supports fan control, auto-weigh mode, and programmable scheduling, all in a compact 3.62-inch by 3.62-inch by 0.91-inch design. A smart, efficient upgrade for modern climate control. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.